Saw dudes. I'm back again with another little video, and today I'm going to be treating my rims. Hopefully that catches on the camera. Is it catching?
Nope, it's not catching.
It's not catching.
There it is.
Focus. As you can see, I got some Superwrap. So I've been seeing it on social media a lot, sponsor page, and I'm like, fuck it, I'm going to try this shit out. My rims are fading out, and just want to try something new. So I figured, let's try this B out. So what their company is, do it yourself. And what you do is, it's like Plasti did, but on steroids. And you get different finishes. So I went with the gunmetal because I fucking love gunmetal. And we're going to see how it comes out. So right now, we're jacking this bitch up. And we're going to take the rims off and let's get started. Shelby was like right by the tire iron and he just went whack and fucking whacked the shit out of her. We felt bad, but she fucked up by getting too close and we told her not to.
So what are you doing, babe?
Taking the rims off the car, and as you can hear in the background, my mom's getting mad at her dog. Apparently she's being a bad dog. She did something wrong. Fuck, I don't want to know. I don't know nothing. Watch this shit. Roxy!
No, she's in trouble. Come here.
The gate isn't.
Really, George?
Roxy's coming. Come and say hi to video.
Roxy, come here.
Never mind, she got in trouble. She ain't coming.
Come here.
She's gonna get her ass beat.
Roxy. Come here. This way. Come here.
Oh yeah, she's running.
Come here. Come here. Get over here. Get over
Dun dun!
here.
So,
Come here.
we're just gonna do the front tires first, just to test the product.
Yeah. Over here. Come on here.
And she's getting her ass chewed out right now. Holy shit. But anyway, so we're going to try out the product on the front two tires to see if I like it, because the back tires are a little bit more of a bitch to do. If everything comes out A-okay, then we'll treat the other ones. Alright, time to get these decontaminated and cleaned up. Right now I'm going to decontaminate the rims by using some... It's a bottle for wax gauze, but I have Chemical Guys all-purpose cleaner in it, and it's a degreaser. It's the only bottle I had, so I'm using it to deal with it. But shout out to Wax Gauze, pretty cool company. But anyways, gotta degrease this bitch. Degrease it really good, just get all up in there. I mean, just use everything you got on it. I mean, fuck it, this shit only costs like $3 for like big ass bottle, so yeah, just fucking hose that bitch down. Whatever type of wax or glaze or any type of just protectant that's on the rims off of it, so the paint itself adheres to whatever else is painted on top of this. So that's what we're doing right now. So we'll get this bitch nice and clean and we'll be right back. Final process of the prep, and we're going to be using Superwrap's do-it-yourself prep spray. Dun dun dun. And basically this is the final stage of it. I do have my black gloves on because I don't want to get none of my nasty human grease on these beautiful faded black rims of mine, because I take pride in my shit. Okay, but now that's out of the way, let's get to it. this portion of the video, I am treating the rims with the base coat, which is a high gloss black. You do have to hit each rim with at least 8 coats of high gloss black before you can treat it with the secondary paint, which is going to be gunmetal, or for anybody else, whatever other color they're using. And then finally we'll be hitting it with a nice pristine high gloss clear. But for the meantime, gotta get it with the 8 coats, so let's get it. Right here, we're just doing the final touches to the high gloss black before we hit it with the gunmetal. As you can see, huge difference already. I mean, goddamn, they look phenomenal. Highly recommend the product. What is up, guys? It is currently day 2 of the project. I got my brother with me. He's gonna be helping me with the rims. I ran into a hiccup. The jack that we had broke, so I had to go get a new one. So, you know how it is. Went to fucking Harbor Freight. Got myself a 3-ton low profile because I'm tired of putting my car up on fucking wooden blocks. So, let's get it. So these are how the rims came out. Came out pretty fucking clean. Really dope. Color is just fucking amazing. So just gonna let them sit overnight so they could dry, and then I'll be mounting them later tomorrow. Got Cars and Coffee with Chemical Guys Saturday, so I'll be heading to that, but gotta have the rims done already because I only had the front 2 done. But overall, the experience with Superwraps is love the product. I would definitely recommend them, and I would definitely go back and try out some of the other colors. Did run into some weird issues with the product itself, but that could be due to prep work, and my brother did help me out on one of the rims, and the rim that did get a little tore up is the one that he prepped. Not a tiebreaker, not a fucking deal breaker at all. Just something I just gotta watch out for the next time. So if you guys are looking into this product, definitely check them out. Hit them up. Buy their shit. What are you doing, Roxy? Get the fuck away from my rims. If you guys are interested in the product, hit up Superwraps. Check their shit out. Their shit's fucking dope and it's amazing. It's a good alternative to change your style on the rims. You know, change the color up. If you're not too keen on painting the rims themselves, you know, that could be a bitch and it's permanent. This is not. You could just fucking spray them up and you can just peel that shit off. So it is like Plasti Dip, but on steroids, and is much better. So hit them up, like the video, comment on my video, let me know if you guys like it, if you guys don't like it, why you guys don't like it, or why you guys do like it. And that's it. It's the end of the video.